Lincoln Kids.
One Tina eats one red apple so bright. It's juicy and tasty, such a delight. To your right's her bike, with two wheels that go. Through parks and puffs, she loves the show.
3. Bunny holds balloons, 3 in the air. Red, blue, and yellow floating everywhere. 4. Max sees butterflies, 4 flying by. In a garden so lovely, under the blue sky.
Mia picks flowers, 5 in her hand. Red, pink, and yellow, they look so grand.
Tim builds a tower with 6 blocks so tall. He stacks them up high and watches them fall.
Lily colors with crayons, 7 shades she uses, drawing rainbows and sunshine with no excuses.
By the pond, Alex sees a duck swim, quacking and splashing. It's a treat for him.
Emma plays cars, 9 in a row.
Vroom, vroom, beep, beep, watch them go. 10 Bunny counts carrots, 10 in a heap. He munches on one before going to sleep.
Sophie has cupcakes, 11 to share.
With sprinkles on top,
There's sweetness everywhere.
Jake sees 12 stars sparkling so bright.
He counts them all on a peaceful night.
Fairpot sees 13 in the ground. She waters them gently, waiting for blooms all around.
14 bunny hops stones, 14 in a line. In the forest he's playing, having a great time.
Sam rolls marbles, 15 so neat. Rolling and spinning was a fun treat. Olivia blows bubbles, 16 in the air. Floating and popping, they're everywhere.
Ben has pencils, 17 so bright, drawing and coloring till late at night.
Ellie stacks blocks, 18 in a tower. It stands up high, such building power. Ruby sees ants, 19 in a row, marching together, steady they go.
Bunnies at a picnic, with 20 friends in sight. They laugh, play, and eat. It's a joyful delight.
Hi kiddos, welcome to Learnkin Kids. Today, Bunny and I are going to learn about numbers from 1 to 20. Are you ready? Yay, let's start. Number 1, Tina is eating 1 juicy apple. 2, Leah is riding a bicycle with 2 big wheels. 3, Bunny has 3 colourful balloons. 4, Max sees 4 butterflies flying in the garden. 5, Mia is picking 5 flowers for her mum. 6, Tim is stacking 6 building blocks. 6. 7, Lily has 7 crayons to draw a rainbow. 8, Alex sees 8 ducks swimming in the pond. 9, Emma is playing with 9 toy cars. 10, Bunny is counting 10 carrots in his basket. Sophie has 11 cupcakes to share with her friends. 12, Jake sees 12 stars shining in the sky. 13, Sarah is planting 13 seeds in the soil. 14, Bunny hops over 14 small stones. 15, Sam is playing with 15 marbles. 16, Olivia sees 16 bubbles floating in the air. 17, Ben is holding 17 colourful pencils. 18, Ellie is making a tower with 18 blocks. 19, Ruby sees 19 ants marching in a line. 20, Bunny has 20 friends at his picnic. Wow! We learned numbers from 1 to 20 today. Let's clap for yourselves. Great job. Bye for now. See you next time.
Lincoln Kids.